Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve you don't have permission to access on Monopoly Go. To know how to fix or how to solve you don't have permission to access on Monopoly Go app, should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page you will enter to this window of Monopoly Go. Then this list you will search about this window of first stop and you click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you will turn on. Then you can turn off your airplane again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.